Welcome back to episode 12 of 2 Minute Tuesdays, where each week I've been doing a shallow dive into some of AWS's services. I hope you're enjoying the last gasp of summer if you're in the UK, as I am sitting in my garden here. Now this week, we're looking at SNS, the Simple Notification Service. So, as always, let's get 2 minutes on the clock, around about here, maybe in this bush, and let's go. So SNS is a great part of a microservice architecture. It allows you to decouple your applications. It works by separating the sender of a message from the recipient of the message, and it allows you to send a message to a large number of recipients in one go. It works on a pub-sub model, publisher, subscriber. So publishers send messages to topics, and then other services can then subscribe to those topics, and so anytime a message is passed to the topic, it's then passed to all the subscribers. You can imagine it like a mailing list for something you're interested in. Say you love Lego, I imagine they've got a marketing department, and then you can subscribe to an email list that they've got about new products, and anytime they publish an email, it gets sent to all the subscribers. That's effectively SNS, one publisher, multiple subscribers. Now, SNS isn't just for emails, although it can be used for that, but it also does A2A, application to application. So, for example, Lambda could be a subscriber. So if an event is published, this can trigger Lambda to go and do something with the event. Let's have an example. So imagine you had an online shop selling, water pistols. One use for SNS could be that when someone places an order, that order could be published to an SNS topic. And one subscriber to that topic could be a Lambda function which writes the order details to your orders database. Another could be something called SES, Simple Email Service, which emails the customer a confirmation email. Another could be another email that goes to the warehouse team that tells them to start packing and shipping the product. And then another subscriber could be Kinesis Firehose, which can process real-time analytics of orders coming in. Now, there are a number of things that you've got to be aware of with SNS. There is a maximum message size of 256 kilobytes, but you can actually get round this by using it in conjunction with S3. Also, it doesn't actually store any messages. It just publishes them and then they're gone. So it doesn't guarantee any delivery. So if a subscriber isn't available, it doesn't wait for them to be available for the message to be delivered. This is why SNS is commonly used in conjunction with next week's topic, SQS, the Simple Queue Service. That's it, we're done. So SNS, it's a pub-sub messaging service that allows microservices to communicate with each other. Now, as I mentioned, next week, I'm going to look at the Simple Queue Service, SQS. And as always, thank you for joining me. If you've got any extra thoughts, let me know in the comments. Do share it if you found it helpful. And I look forward to seeing you next week for 2 Minute Tuesdays.